Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Tamachelvi, Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Design at SNS College of Technology. In the previous video, we have seen about the singly linked list from the topic list from the subject data structure. In today's video, you will understand what a doubly linked list and how it works, its operations, advantages, disadvantages, and real-world application. Let's start. First of all, we must know what is meant by doubly linked list. So doubly linked list or specialized data structure that comprising the nodes, each containing data and two pointers. The first pointer points to the next node and another pointer points to the previous node. In single linked list, we have only one pointer, but in doubly linked list, we have two pointers. So each node contains three parts. The first one is actual data, and the second one is a pointer to the next node, and the third one is a pointer to the previous node. So this facilitates we can traversal both in the forward and backward direction. So each node, as I said earlier, each node contains three parts, that is data, previous node, and the next node. Unlike a single linked list, which can only move forward, we can use the doubly linked list to traversal in both forward and backward direction. This makes it more flexible and efficient for many applications. Next one, structure of doubly linked list. So in doubly linked list, every node consists of previous pointer, actual data, and the next pointer. So we have three data. The previous pointer of the head node points to the null, and the next pointer of the tail node also points to the null, because every node knows both its previous and the next node. The navigation is much easier than when compared to the simply linked list. So here I add some diagram for understanding the idea of the doubly linked list. Just pause the video and try to understand the concept of doubly linked list in data structure concept. Next one, operations in doubly linked list. So when inserting a new node, we need to update both previous and the next pointers of the surrounding node. So this ensures that the links can remain inactive. So basically we have three types of operations: insertion, deletion, and traversal. The next one is deletion. To delete a node, we can adjust the previous node next pointer, else we can adjust the next node previous pointer. The node is bypassed and removed from the list. So since we can directly access the previous pointer, and deletion is often easier than when compared to the single linked list. The next operation is traversal. So we can move both direction, that is forward traversal and the backward traversal. So this improves the flexibility for many algorithms and application what we are using. The next one is advantages of doubly linked list. So here I list some advantages. The first one is bidirectional traversal. As I mentioned earlier, user can move both forward and backward direction through the list. And the second one is easier deletion. Access to the previous node makes deletion operations simple and faster when compared to the single linked list. And the last one is versatility. So due to its speed of simpler and faster operation, we can use the doubly linked list in many real-world applications and advanced data structures such as DQ's concept. Disadvantages of doubly linked list. So despite doubly linked list have many advantages, it has some disadvantages too. First one, increased memory usage. Because each node requires extra memory for that additional pointer, which can significant in large list. So there is a necessity to use high memory. And the second one is complex implementation. Implementing a doubly linked list can be more complex than a single linked list due to the managing two pointers, that is the pointing the previous node and the next node. And the last one is more overhead in maintenance. When performing operations like insertion and deletion, more pointer updates are needed that increase the potentials for errors. Next one, applications of doubly linked list. So doubly linked lists are widely used in practical applications like browser history, musical players, and for undo functionalities. So user can move both forward and backward direction. User can move forward to redo them and backward to undo the actions. So in web browsers utilize doubly linked list to maintain its history that allows the user to move back and forth easily between the visitor sites. And in music players, media players often use doubly linked list concept to maintain the playlist, enabling user to navigate forward and backward to their songs. And many applications implement undo and redo functionalities where each action can be saved back and forth seamlessly. Let's summarize what we have learned today. A doubly linked list is a powerful data structure where each node contains data, a next pointer, and a previous pointer. It supports efficient insertion, deletion, and bidirectional traversal operations. And although it requires some extra memory and more complex managements, due to its flexible structure that makes ideal for applications like browser history, music players, and undo-redo operations. Understanding the linked list is essential for every programmer. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.